Let me show you how to remove reposts on Instagram. There are two places to find those reposts. I'll walk you through both of them and how to remove them. Now open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android, and there are a couple of different ways that we can remove those reposts. You can see a new feature on all of these are those two arrows. I can tap on it and it says I reposted it because it has a little check and it has my photo or emoji at the top left here. Now I can always remove those reposts either just by navigating to that specific post and just tapping it again to remove it, or I can just tap on my profile at the very bottom right, and sometimes you might be able to see your reposts on this list, but it doesn't always show up, so sometimes we need to get into your settings to be able to see those reposts. Now within here, you'll be able to see all of the photos and videos that you've reposted. You can always choose to remove those just by tapping on that little arrow again to remove it. Now, after we've done that, you can also choose to turn off reposts on your photos and videos. On here, all we need to do is scroll down and you can see sharing and reuse and reposts on your posts and reels. So we can turn that off so now no one else can repost your photos and videos, and you won't accidentally repost other people's as well.